If you're thinking about using Twilio's eSIM for international travel, there are some key things you need to know before making the purchase. In this video, we'll cover 12 things that will help you decide if Twilio's eSIM is the right fit for your global travel needs. Let's dive right in. First, Twilio's eSIM allows you to avoid the hassle of swapping physical SIM cards, making it super convenient for international trips. With an eSIM, you can manage multiple lines without changing your physical SIM. But how does Twilio compare to other options out there like Airalo or Holofly? Well, Twilio's main advantage is its flexibility with business use, offering more robust features for companies needing international connectivity. Next, you need to know that Twilio's eSIM isn't available everywhere. They have limited country support compared to competitors, so it's crucial to check whether your destination is covered. Platforms like Airalo and Holofly tend to have more global coverage, making them better options for some travelers. The third thing to consider is Twilio's pricing structure. Unlike other eSIM providers that offer flexible plans for short-term use, Twilio's pricing is more geared toward developers and businesses. This means you might find that it's less cost-effective for casual travelers who just need a few days or weeks of coverage. The fourth thing to keep in mind is activation. While Twilio makes the eSIM setup simple, it requires technical steps that might be confusing if you're not familiar with the process. In contrast, services like Airalo are designed to be more user-friendly, allowing you to purchase and activate your plan on the spot, no technical know-how needed. The fifth thing to note is Twilio's focus on high data volumes. If you're a business traveling with a team or need high-speed data usage, Twilio might be a better fit. Competitors may not offer the same high bandwidth options, but if you're just looking for basic connectivity on vacation, this could be overkill. Next, Twilio provides great integration with its APIs, making it ideal for developers looking to incorporate eSIM functionality into their projects. This could be a game changer if you're in need of a customizable solution, but it's not as necessary for the everyday traveler who just needs to stay connected. The seventh thing is customer support. While Twilio's support team is reliable, it's more focused on troubleshooting technical issues rather than offering guidance on travel plans or eSIM installation. If you're a solo traveler, you might want to go with an option like Holofly that's specifically geared toward easy customer service for travelers. The eighth thing to consider is speed. Twilio offers decent speeds in supported regions, but their coverage might not always be as strong or consistent as competitors like Airalo, which has a more extensive network in many countries. The ninth thing is data plans. Twilio's data plans are often more suited to business needs with higher data allowances, but if you're traveling for leisure and just need basic data to browse or use maps, you might find cheaper and simpler options with companies like Airalo or GigSky. The 10th thing is the ease of switching between different networks. With Twilio, you can swap between networks, which is useful in regions with multiple service providers, but not all areas have strong options. So, check your destination's network reliability before committing. Next up, Twilio's eSIM setup is only compatible with certain devices. If you're not sure if your phone supports eSIM, this could be a deal breaker. Unlike companies like Holofly, which offers simple compatibility checks, Twilio's requirements might leave some users frustrated. The 12th thing to remember is that while Twilio can be a great option for tech-savvy users or businesses, it might not be the most accessible choice for someone who just wants an easy, no-hassle way to stay connected abroad. It's worth considering how much tech setup you're willing to deal with before making your decision. So, is Twilio's eSIM a good option for international travel? It's certainly a solid choice if you're looking for flexibility, especially for business use. However, if you want a better option with more straightforward activation, better coverage, and more competitive pricing, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.